How to set up switch access for people with limited mobility. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to set up switch access for people with limited mobility. So now let's get started. First of all you need to do is open the settings app on your Android device. Now navigate to accessibility, tap on interaction and dexterity, select universal switch, and now follow the on-screen instructions to assign actions like select, next, or previous to each switch. Now select one action per switch or two actions per switch. After choosing one of the following options, press Done. After setup, you can use your switches to navigate through the device, select items, and carry out actions. This feature helps users with limited mobility to control their device using external switches or touch. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.